Hello, and welcome to whatever this is. That's enough waffle, let's get on with it. The domestic authority has been refurbing her cheap-ass croquet set, and two of them actually, and she got so far and then went off on vacation, and as is normal in the marital partnership, I have been left to complete the task. So these hammers have been glued back together, varnished and painted with the appropriate coloured stripes, and they used to have these cheap shitty plastic caps on the ends, but they are cheap and shitty. And the domestic authority has decided that she wants metal caps on the end of these, which apparently, because I have machine tools, is incredibly easy to do. I have pointed her to the direction of my YouTube channel and said, look at the stuff ups and see just how easy that will be for me, but that didn't sway her at all. Anyway, as luck would have it, I have a leftover piece of aluminized aluminium rod or round bar, and it's a hefty rod, I think you'll agree. Heaven's sake. Which I think will be just enough material with a bit left over to make a set of caps. This is a dreadful waste of good quality 6061 aluminized aluminium. 6061 T6511 no less, but I have it on hand. I didn't use it for a project I actually purchased it for, and so this will get the job done and this stuff out of my shop so that I can get back to my own projects. Now, the process. I will now, via the magic of video editing, show you a diagram of the part I'm going to make. It's a very simple cup. So what I'm going to do is cut this down into roughly 2-inch long chunks. The process will be to hold each chunk in the chuck, face the end, a very light dust cut on the OD just to clean it up, put a drill in to get the bore started, go in with my heftiest boring tool and remove the rest of the material, bring it out to an appropriate diameter, and then put fillet radii on those corners, flip it around, do the same the other end, part off, and then face off the front of those. I think the biggest positive impact from this will be that once installed, and they're just going to be glued onto the mallets using silicone adhesive, which sticks like crap to a blanket. I think the biggest positive impact is going to be that the lightest tap with the mallet is going to send the croquet balls about 500 yards across the field to never be seen again, and we won't have to go through this in the future. So let's get to it, because I saw that Joe Pye's just uploaded a new video, and frankly I'd rather watch that. So let's get this done so I can get to that. Okay, different tool. So the other one was a CNMG 432. This one is a CCMT, so with a actual aluminium specific insert. So anyway, this should take material out plenty quick. Just that one can really hog it out. Talk about bloody bozo move. Right, now this should be exciting. What's the chances? Without the lathe spider in, pretty good. So we'll be able to save this one, but this is not the process I was planning on. Good enough. Well, that was embarrassing and humbling, but now I know the process. So let's change the camera battery and we'll go again. Well, that got it, didn't it? Maybe these mallets are worth something after all. Well, there's the completed sets. 2 sets, 10 mallets, 20 caps. Now, I enjoyed that. As simple as these were, the challenge there was turning them out in a suitable amount of time. And just for comparison purposes, I actually had these quoted by a machine shop, and they came back and quoted me $530 for a set of 20 to my drawing. And based on the time it took, which was about 3 hours for the set of 18 and an hour and a bit for the first pair for me to work through the process, and with the aluminized aluminium round bar in there, I came out to about $575, I think, something like that. Because obviously if I were a shop, the overhead would be pretty small. Now, I'm not a shop, that was just for the exercise. And that's one of the aspects of machining and fabrication, isn't it? It's not just making one intricate thing at a time. Sometimes it's making some amount of something, as it was in this case. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to make my fortune making repair caps for cheap croquet sets, but nevertheless, this was enjoyable. So hope you followed along, and I hope you got something out of it. I know I did. So in the meantime, may your surface finishes always be chatter-free and your dimensions in tolerance. Be seeing you.